Biden and the FBI after a federal investigation.
This is a Manitoba emergency alert. Saskatchewan RCMP has issued a dangerous person advisory alert after multiple stabbing incidents reported September 4 in multiple locations in Saskatchewan, including James Smith Cree Nation and Weldon. 2 male suspects may be traveling in a black Nissan Rogue with Saskatchewan license 119 MPI. Whereabouts are unknown. An alert is being extended to Alberta and Manitoba. For photos, descriptions and updates visit https://alert.rcmp.ca/sk/L7 and HDQ5REN. The public should take appropriate precautions. Do not approach suspicious persons and report any information to your local police and emergencies to 911.